If you're here today, I know one thing for sure. You want to understand what truly makes a man fall deeply, madly, and hopelessly in love with a woman. And let me tell you this, it's not just about looks. It's not about being the perfect woman. It's about the small, meaningful, and emotionally powerful things you do, often without even realizing it, that make a man feel something he can't ignore. Think about this. Have you ever met a man who made your heart skip a beat? Who made you smile just by looking at him? Who made you feel warm inside even when he wasn't around? Now, imagine if you could make a man feel that way about you. That's exactly what we're going to uncover today. I'm going to reveal 11 things women do that make men fall so deeply in love that they can't imagine their life without you. And trust me, some of these things are so subtle yet so powerful that they have the potential to create a deep emotional bond that lasts a lifetime. So, my love, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and watch this video till the end, because you do not want to miss a single point. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss my weekly relationship secrets. Now, let's get started. Number 1. When you genuinely listen to him. Men don't always express their emotions the way women do. Society often teaches them to be tough, to hide their feelings, and to solve their problems alone. But deep down, every man craves someone who truly listens to him, not just hearing his words, but understanding his heart. When a woman listens without interrupting, without judging, and without trying to fix everything, a man feels safe. He feels valued. And most importantly, he feels connected. Want to make an even stronger impact? Remember the little things. If he tells you about his favorite childhood memory, his dreams, or something stressful at work, bring it up later. Show him that his words matter to you. Trust me, a woman who listens with her heart is a woman a man never forgets. Number 2. When you say his name with love. A person's own name is the sweetest sound to their ears, but when a special woman says a man's name with warmth, affection, or even playful teasing, it sends shivers down his spine. Try it sometime. When he does something sweet, say, "You know what, James? You're amazing." Or when you're playfully teasing him, "Oh, please, Ryan, don't act so innocent. I know your tricks." Using his name makes your bond more personal, more intimate, and more emotionally charged. And believe me, he will notice. Number 3. When you embrace your feminine energy. Now, let me be clear. Being feminine does not mean being weak. It does not mean you have to be submissive or helpless. True feminine energy is about confidence, warmth, kindness, and a deep connection to your emotions. It's about being soft, yet strong, playful, yet wise, and loving, yet independent. Men are naturally drawn to women who embrace their femininity because it creates a beautiful contrast with their masculine energy. It makes them feel like men, strong, protective, and deeply connected. So embrace your grace, your laughter, your nurturing side, and even your little quirks, because that is what makes you magnetic. Number 4. When you laugh at his jokes. You don't need to fake it, but if you genuinely find him funny, let him know. Men love women who can enjoy their playful, goofy, and sometimes silly side. When you laugh with him, it makes him feel like he can be himself around you, and that is irresistibly attractive. Number 5. When you show him respect. Respect is the foundation of love. Without it, a relationship crumbles. Men fall hard for women who respect their opinions, their goals, their ambitions, and their struggles. A man wants to feel like his woman believes in him, that she sees his potential even when he doubts himself. When you genuinely respect a man, not just with words but with your actions, he will cherish you, love you, and never want to let you go. Number 6. When you give him space without drama. This one is big. A mature, confident woman understands that men sometimes need space. It's not about you, it's about him. When you give him the freedom to breathe, to miss you, and to process his thoughts, he will come back to you even stronger. And here's the truth. When a man realizes that he can have both his independence and a loving, supportive woman, he will hold on to you tighter than ever. Number 7. When you support his dreams. Imagine telling your biggest dream to someone, and instead of laughing or doubting you, they look into your eyes and say, "I believe in you. I know you can do it." Can you feel how powerful that is? Men fall deeply in love with women who encourage them, uplift them, and stand by them through their successes and failures. Be that woman, and he will love you forever. Number 8. When you have fun with him. Relationships shouldn't be all about deep conversations and serious talks. They should also be about laughter, joy, and creating unforgettable moments together. Go on spontaneous trips, dance in the kitchen, play video games with him, or try something adventurous. Men fall for women who bring excitement into their lives, who make them feel alive. Number 9. When you take care of yourself. Confidence is attractive. When you take care of your mind, body, and soul, not just to impress him, but because you love yourself, it shows. Men love women who radiate self-love, because a woman who values herself will never settle for less than she deserves. Number 10. When you open up to him emotionally. Men aren't mind readers. They don't always know how you feel unless you tell them. When you share your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, and your emotions, it brings him closer to you. Vulnerability is not weakness. It is the key to a deep, unbreakable emotional bond. Number 11. When you love him for who he truly is. At the end of the day, men want to be loved, not for their looks, money, or status, but for their soul. When a woman truly sees a man for who he is, without trying to change him, it creates a love that is rare and unforgettable. Tell me, which one of these spoke to your heart? I'd love to hear from you. Comment love below if you enjoyed this video. Remember, my love, you are worthy of deep, passionate, and lasting love. Never settle for anything less.